So here we are at Wood Hewish Farm cider press. So the apples would have originally been stored up here, and then the cider press was up above those two. There were granite rollers in there, which were turned round by a horse attached to this beam, turning that, which then turned the granite rollers around. And the pulp was scooped over here into like a sort of giant cheese with Hessian cloth in between. And then that screw was reduced. Over here there's another turning mechanism, would have had a rope on it, which would have turned that around and pressed it down. Then the juice ran out and was collected there into barrels. Interesting, huh?